So this channel really made me reflect on my photography journey. Sorry, that's my dogs. And I came to realize that I feel like all the time I'm in a conflict, inside conflict of choosing which photographer I want to be. And I think there are basically three kinds of photographers. They're all great. It's just that I feel sometimes in the middle. Maybe you can relate to this feeling. And so basically, the first type of photographer, maybe the most common one, who are enjoying the process of the technology, and the gear they're using, and they try to make something extra unique and capture things that is really hard to do on a cell phone, let's say. And I refer those kinds of photographers for people like Peter McKinnon, or everyone who likes like having one body or two bodies and 6 7 different lenses. Try everything out, experiment with the focal length, and just enjoy the gear, the technique, improve their skills in a way that they create something new every time, and maybe create something unique and special. I hope this makes sense. So I think I belong more to the second type of photographers. It's not something that I wanted, it's something that just happened. And I really enjoying this. And the second type is really enjoying the mental states of photography, the mental state of photography, and how I really enjoy the process of walking, taking photos, being meditative in the moment, capturing maybe a lot more photos than the first kind of photographers, and most of them would be bad, not as good as high quality as I would like. But I would really enjoy the looking for frames, capturing every composition like I want, and just be mindful in the moment, looking for interesting things, just walk around. Maybe it's more like a queue shooters, just walk around the city, walk around wherever you are, and take photos. Also, sorry for the noise, there are constructions outside, nothing I can do about it. And the third kind of photographers are basically people who are really professionate, how I say it right, in a specific niche, and they do the same photo over and over again. And I don't mean that as a bad thing. I mean just when you see their photo, you know it's them. I mean like those photographers who are shooting flowers in a certain way, with a certain bouquet, or maybe a view in a certain vibe and colors. It's just that most of the photos looks basically the same, and that's an art. That's an amazing art. I wish I could be so like persisting and do this like them. I think it's very a good recipe for success, and it's hard to do so. I really admire those people. But those are the third kind of photographers that just focusing on the gear they need for those specific photos. And anyway, in my journey, I really feel like I'm in a conflict all the time, whether or not I want to be more creative and get more like technical, interesting shots, like when I had my Canon gear, or do I enjoy more like the meditative tool of photography, walking around taking photos. And the third kind, I don't think I will ever belong into that genre. And maybe I just making this list up. I never see anyone categorize photographer by this third. Maybe there are more, and I just don't think about them. And my point is today is that I don't want to categorize myself. I want to experiment all word with the gear that I have. But having said that, I feel like as I said, I'm much more in the meditative process of photography. I refer to this tool more as something that mentally helps me to keep calm and get through the day. I enjoy photography. I do it really all the time. I take the camera out most of the days, if not the Leica, so the Ricoh now. And the reason I'm feeling conflict is that this channel is basically based on people who like the Leica Q3, they like the gear specifically, or the Ricoh. And I think that most of the people subscribe to the channel because they want to see more of that gear. But I really feel like I have to let go on that thinking of making reviews, technical reviews, because first of all, I'm not good at it. and maybe my English is not good enough for this. And second, I don't enjoy it as much as just go outside with the camera and take photos. And I want to combine with all of that just my life in general, taking videos and tell the story of each day that I'm going through with the photos. I think it's all really connected to one story. And I conflict about this one more time in the channel, I think, when I try to add vlogs. Maybe I'm still trying to add vlogs, it's just really difficult for me. And I don't know if you really care about that. I just wanted to update you on my thoughts on this channel and my thoughts on photography in general. Anyway, I'm going to work now with the Leica Q3, so let's go.